Hi, I'm Deanna Aliano, and I created this channel for artists, beginner artists or creatives, or somebody who's just getting back into their art. And today I want to talk about if you feel like you are not making any progress and you're not being consistent, it's not because you're lazy. Sometimes as artists, we put a ton of pressure on ourselves and expectation. And really at this moment, I have a lot of stuff that I'm taking care of in my life. And sometimes our personal things get in the way and we do not make the time or prioritize being an artist. And what I have found for myself is what I would do and what I would suggest someone else to do is somehow incorporate your creativity in a little daily practice. So let's say I'm not able to get into the studio this week because there's too many responsibilities. I do take care of my mom, and sometimes that can, doctor's appointments, other things that have to be done in her home, and just spending time with her. So to get a little notepad together. I think I've mentioned it many times before in my videos, and get yourself a mixed media notepad or mixed media notepad and some paints and a brush and a little water and maybe some paper towels and a towel. Just having it ready and available that you don't have to create a large space and begin a project that you feel like you really can't commit to at this very moment, or go back to something you've already done. Like I love painting trees, so because I've done them many times, they really come naturally to me and they feel so relaxing and easy that I will start a tree, even if it's on a piece of paper. You're not starting a brand new canvas, it's just on some kind of art paper. Another thing I like to do is doodle. It doesn't necessarily have to be, some people say, I can't draw. I'm not a great artist as far as sketching, but you can do shapes. I don't know if you've ever done Zentangle is another suggestion, where you're doing a lot of doodles and lines, and all this is a form of creativity. Another thing is I do love to garden. So I have orchids and I'll go out and tend to them. So creativity can be in so many different ways. And I feel the more that I do it, the stronger my creativity is. It also is a form of therapy. It's so relaxing. And I just feel like the pressure that we put on ourselves as artists and expectations in so many different ways can stop us from painting, stop us from moving forward as artists. So I would suggest finding your creativity in many different ways, even if it's listening to a beautiful song that motivates you. Sometimes when I'm in the studio and I'm not feeling that motivated, I'll put on a song that I love, and that really does bring more artistic creativity out of me. So I hope you like this video. If you do, I would love for you to comment, share with me if you do wind up doing something like a painting or what you like to do to keep yourself artistic. So subscribe, share with a friend. Thank you.